In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit Microsoft Forms responses. By the end, you'll know exactly where to look, how to find the response you want, and what to do when editing is available. This is especially helpful if a responder reports a small typo, you notice a formatting issue, or you need to correct an obvious mistake in a text or choice field. First, open your form in Microsoft Forms. Start by signing in and locating the specific form from your list. Make sure you're opening the correct version, especially if you have similar forms with alike titles. If your form is connected to a shared group or a team, double check that you have the right one and that you're the owner or have appropriate permissions. It's a good idea to pause for a moment here and confirm the form's title and purpose so you don't change data in the wrong place. If accuracy matters for reporting, consider noting the original response details somewhere safe before you proceed so you can reference what was submitted initially. Next, go to the Responses tab. This tab is separate from the Questions tab, which is where you design your form. In Responses, you'll see a summary of totals and charts, and you can switch into the individual response view. Moving into the Responses tab is important because it's the only place where individual submissions are listed in sequence, making it easy to review and locate a specific entry. Now, select the response you want to edit, use the individual view to step through submissions one by one, or jump directly to a specific entry if you recognize it by timestamp or responder details that are visible to you. Take a moment to confirm you've opened the exact response that needs attention, especially if several entries look similar. Accuracy here prevents unintended changes elsewhere. Finally, make changes if editing is allowed. In some forms, editing is enabled, and you'll see options to modify fields and save or update the response. Carefully adjust only what needs to be corrected, and then apply or save your changes. Be mindful that edits may affect summary charts and any reports that reference this data. If you do not see any edit controls, that means this form's settings restrict editing, and the submission will be read only from your side. In that case, the data will remain as originally submitted unless the form owner has allowed response updates. That's it. Open your form, go to Responses, select the right entry, and make changes when editing is available. With these steps, you can keep your results accurate and consistent without disrupting the rest of your data.